How to find percentages. How do we find percentages of other numbers? What is 20% of 50? Just as it reads. What is 20% of 50? Let's write that out. What does 20% mean? That means what is 20 over 100 of 50? 20 over 100 multiplied by 50. Is that not so? Now let's begin to simplify. 20 times 50 over 100. This has a denominator of 1, so we can say 1. Can we cross out anything? 0 here cancels the 0 here. 0 here cancels 0. What do we have left? 2 times 5, which is 10, over 1 times 1, which is 10 over 1. So 20% of 50 is 10. Right? What does that mean? If you would divide 50 into 100 places, 20 portion of it will be 10. That's the meaning of 20% of 50. Let's see another example. What is 3% of 175? 3 over 100 times 175. Let's simplify this. 3 times 175 over 100. Can we simplify anything? Do we have common factors? This one number ends in 0 with 0, and this number ends with 5. They have a common factor of 5. Any number that ends with 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. Okay? So how many 5s can we get in 100? Let's see how many 5s we get in 100. That should be 20. How many 5s do we get in 175? We can have 3, and then we have 5, 35. Do we still have a common factor? Yes. 5 can still go here 4, and 5 will go in 35 in 7 places. So we are left with 3 times 7, which gives us 21 over 4. So what is 21 divided by 4? If you are asked to leave your answers in decimal, you leave in decimal. Otherwise, your answers can be left as an improper, as a mixed fraction, right? So 24 divided by 21, we should have 5 whole number, 1 over 4. 5 whole number, 1 over 4. So 3% of 175 is 5 whole number, 1 over 4. Another example. Oh, now we have decimals. What is 6.5%? 6.5 over 100 multiplied by 100. So how would I have 6.5 times 100 all over 100? Okay, 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. So what do I have left? I have 6.5 times 1 over 1, which is 6.5. So 6.5% of 100 is 6.5. Isn't that amazing? That's it. Last example. What is 200%? 200 over 100 times 88. Right? Yes. The percentages can be more than 100. What that means tells you is that this is certainly more than 100. Okay? So we have 200 over 100 times 88. I'll put it together to make it easy for me to simplify. Over 100. 0 cancels 0. 0 cancels 0. What do we have left? 2 times 88. What is 2 times 88? Are you doing that? That should give you 176. So 200% of 88 is 176. That's actually doubling the number. Okay?